Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hands-on review of the Infinix Xpad, the latest tablet from Infinix that's gaining a lot of attention. Whether you're looking for a tablet for work, entertainment, or just everyday use, you're going to see if this device ticks all the boxes. So let's begin. The Infinix Xpad goes for about 24,000 Kenya shillings or $190 for the Wi-Fi version only. Starting off with the design, the Infinix Xpad comes in a sleek, lightweight build. It's got an aluminum body that feels premium in hand without being too heavy or bulky. The bezels around the 11-inch display are a bit thick, but play a virtual role preventing your palm from touching the screen. Honestly, it looks and feels much more expensive than the price tag. Now speaking of the display, this tablet packs an 11-inch IPS LCD screen with the resolution of 1200 by 1920 and a 90Hz refresh rate. The display is sharp and vibrant, and that higher refresh rate makes scrolling and animation feel super smooth. Whether you are watching movies, reading, or even gaming, the screen performs brilliantly. The Xpad is powered by a Mediatek Helio G99 chipset, paired with 4GB RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The Mali G57 MC2 GPU handles graphics well, especially for light moderate gaming. I really enjoyed playing games on the Xpad. The graphics was so amazing, and the screen was so immersive. As of the performance, I didn't experience any lagging or overheating. The tablet performs impressively for day-to-day tasks, multitasking, and even some more demanding apps. It's great for users who need a balance of productivity and entertainment. Apps load quickly and there's little to no lag during regular use. The Xpad runs on Android 14 with a fairly clean user interface that is easy to navigate. You get minimal bloatware, which keeps the experience smooth, and the 4GB RAM helps with multitasking. Whether you are using it for productivity apps, streaming, or browsing the web, the tablet handles it with ease. Plus, with 256GB of internal storage, you've got more than enough space for all your apps, files, and media. The Infinix Xpad comes with a total of 4 speakers, that is 2 speakers at the top and the other 2 speakers at the bottom. The sound quality is amazing as well as the volume, which is very loud. At the beginning of the video, I said this is a Wi-Fi only device. This is because the slot cannot support a SIM card, only an expandable microSD card. Also on the right side is the power button and the volume rockers and 2 microphone ports. The Infinix Xpad comes with an 8MP front camera and an 8MP rear camera, both capable of recording 2K video quality. The 2K video quality is a pleasant surprise for a tablet in this range, making it good enough for casual vlogging and video recording. Now let's talk about the battery. The Infinix Xpad is equipped with a 7000 mAh battery capacity, which is fantastic for long sessions of work or entertainment. You can easily get through a full day of moderate use, whether that's streaming, browsing, or working. To fully charge the battery, the Xpad comes with an 18W fast charger. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge the Xpad from 0% to 100%. The accessories that you get when you buy this phone include an 18W fast charger, USB Type-C cable, and finally a hands-free headset. So, is the Infinix Xpad worth it? Yes, it is. With its sleek design, excellent display, solid performance from the Helio G99 chipset, and the 7000 mAh battery capacity, it is worth it. Whether you're using it for entertainment, late gaming, or productivity, it performs well across the board. So that's it. That's the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.